Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel and my first tutorial. So I'm going to start this look off by using my favorite base gel, Nail Best USA Rubber Base in Clear. I love this base coat because it's durable and thicker than most base gels, and it's still soak off. At first I'm just going to apply a thin layer to all my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to take it out of the lamp. And I'm going to apply a larger bead towards the end of the nail. And then I'm going to float it down to the free edge. Make sure there's a nice arch. And I didn't add all the footage of doing all of my nails, but I'm actually making sure that I do these steps to all of my nails. And then I'm going to use my detailer brush just to get into the corners and the cuticles and sidewalls to make sure that it's close but not touching the skin around my nail. And then I'm going to turn it upside down to create an arch. You're going to want to flip it right side back up and then cure for 1 minute this time. So I'm doing my nails with two colors. The first color is Pale Beige by Pre-Gel, and the second color is K08 by Leaf Gel. I'm doing the index finger and my ring finger with K08, and that's a sheer white color. That's going to be the nails with art on them. So I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to go in for my second coat. You can do this art with any colors, like you don't need to get Leaf Gel or Pre-Gel or any of the things that I have, just find something similar. But if you haven't checked out Leaf Gel, I suggest doing so. It's a super beautiful gel, super easy to work with. It doesn't shrink or fade or patch or wrinkle, and it's just so easy to work with, so check it out. So I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. Now I'm using Neon Yellow from En Vogue, and I'm painting on my pointer finger just a few brush strokes. I decided that I wanted to use my mini oval gel brush from Ace Gel just to make a more precision application, just painting lightly with the color. I'm going to do the same thing to my ring finger, just painting lightly with the yellow, not thinking too hard because I want this to be kind of an abstract design. So I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. Now I'm going over the neon yellow and in some of the white spots with 001 from Leaf Gel. It's a very pigmented black. You want to use something that is not see-through, so use a good quality gel here. You also don't want to overwhelm the design, so not too much. This is how the design looks so far. So I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. I decided I didn't want the yellow to be super bright, so I took more of the sheer white color and I put it over top of the black and the yellow just to sort of make it look a little bit more dulled down and sort of create some depth in the design. Cure that for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to create a little bit more dimension. I'm going to go over some of the black spots and some of the yellow spots with a really light touch and some of the black paint and the mini oval brush, and I'm just going to add little brush strokes. You don't want to add too many brush strokes, but you want to add enough to kind of balance the design. Just be mindful of that. Cure that for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with 002 from Leaf Gel, that's pigmented white, and I'm just going to overlap some of the black spots with this gel. Same method as before, just a super light touch. Not too much. Cure that for 30 seconds. Now I'm going in with the black, and I'm making a micro French line at the free edge of my nail. I'm using a Mana Nails fine liner. I'll leave a link in the description box so you can check it out. It's the brush that I use all the time for all my detail work. Now I'm going in with a non-white charm gel. It's from Agaha, and I'm just going to add 2 triangle studs to the base of this design. Every time I use this gel for charms or gems or studs, like, nothing comes off, so I use it all the time. I didn't want to go too crazy with charms, so I'm just adding circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle as my studs on my middle finger. Cure that for 30 seconds. I'm going in with my neon yellow, and I'm making a line down my thumb. Yeah, I'm using Mana Nails fine liner brush, and I'm not worrying about it being too thin. Cure that for 30 seconds. Okay, now I decided that I wanted to add some holographic glitter, and I'm just adding a little bit of more of the no white charm gel, and then I'm placing the heart glitter in the center of my thumbnail, and then adding some extra glitter down the line. And then I'm gonna add a heart to my pinky. Cure that for 30 seconds. An extra step I like to take is to go over the nails with studs and sparkles with a little bit of hard gel, just to embed them and make it easier for them to be top coated. Cure that for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to top coat my nails. I'm using Bio Seaweed Gel No White Top Coat. I tend to go back and forth between different brands of top coat. I like this one so far. It seems to be staying super shiny. If you have any suggestions, let me know, because I'm always down to try a new top coat. Cure that for 30 seconds. So this is the end of my tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that maybe you've learned something. If you'd like me to make more videos or have any suggestions, leave a comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you know when I upload stuff.